Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall Norton 360 on Windows 11. All right, it's pretty easy to do. Just go ahead over to your search bar and type in add or remove programs. Now, once the system setting pops up, just go ahead and click on it and this one will open. All right, just go ahead and locate Norton right here. For example, this one is Norton. Click on the three dots and hit on uninstall. Once done, restart your computer and you're good to go. Now, what if it doesn't let you, or it doesn't let you uninstall the particular app? So what we're going to do is just open up our favorite browser and paste this link. Don't worry, I'll leave this one in the description. Now what we're going to do in here is just go ahead and scroll down a bit and click on download the Norton Remove and Reinstall Tool. All right, I'm going to go ahead and open up a new tab, which is right here. As you can see, a download page will pop up. Just go ahead and start the download. Yours might be different. You might see your downloads right here at the top right. Just wait for it to finish. All right, now I'm going to open it up. I'm going to hit on yes as there will be a pop-up. Just simply follow these simple prompts right here. As you can see, it says here, agree to the license agreement. And then I'm going to click on advanced options right here. Click on advanced, click remove only right here. And it says here, attention. Once you remove your Norton product, your computer will not be protected until you so on and so forth. All right, go ahead and hit on remove and wait for the process to finish. And it says here, uninstall complete. Please restart your computer. Now what you're going to want to do here is just click on restart now. And I'm not going to do it because it will restart my system. All right, just click on restart. And once that's done, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.